Have you ever imagined what it takes to maintain nature's surreal masterpieces? Meet the salt waterfall technicians, who work in breathtaking regions like the Sifnos salt falls in Greece. These towering salt formations, while mesmerizing, pose unique challenges with crumbling structures and harsh saline environments. As they ascend these surreal cliffs, the technicians work tirelessly, using specialized gear to stabilize sections at risk of shearing. It's a delicate dance between preservation and danger, as even a small misstep can result in catastrophic collapse. Their efforts ensure the safety and natural beauty of these salt wonders endure, showcasing courage in a lesser-known field that's as extreme as it is crucial for preserving Earth's rare spectacles.